YouTube TV versus Google TV. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between YouTube TV and Google TV and which one is better for you. So I have this table demonstrating the difference between these two. At first we will talk about the content selection. Google TV offer content for purchasing or renting from Google Play Movies and TV. If you talk about YouTube TV provide access to over 85 live TV channels for streaming. If you talk about the dashboard, Google TV display content from linked services in the dashboard display. If you talk about the YouTube TV, it featured an organized dashboard for easy navigation. If you talk about the platform, Google TV not available on all platforms, potentially limited, accessibility. If you talk about YouTube TV has available is available on wide range of platforms, including gaming platforms and convenient streaming. If you talk about the cloud DVR, Google TV does not offer cloud DVR functionality for recording content, while YouTube TV does allow you, unlimited cloud DVR for recording favorite shows. If we talk about on-demand content, Google TV offers limited on-demand content compared to other streaming services. And if we talk about YouTube TV, provide access to, on-demand some on-demand content in addition to live TV. So that's pretty much it. This is what it is. Hope you guys find this video helpful.